Okay, so today I'm going to show you how Express-Validator works, which I've already got all the code written. I'm not going to encrypt any passwords or actually register a user or anything like that. I'm just going to show you how to set up your routes and stuff to use Express-Validator, and then later we'll go into actually registering a user with bcrypt and everything else. So I already got it wrote. Really, I got the server file, which is the same as it was before, except I added the routes here and I added the middleware for body parser. Used to, you had to install body parser and then bring it into your file, and then but now it's part of Express. So this middleware here is the app.use express.json. Usually it was before it was body parser and then JSON and extended false or true, depending on which one you want to do. Then I got the routes set up here, /API/users, and it requires this right here, this route here, which all this does is it prefixes these routes with /API/users. Then it prefixes these. Well, right now I only got this one route, so this whole route would be localhost, I think it's 5,000. Yeah, localhost 5,000 /API/users. So Express-Validator, you gotta bring in check and bring in validation result, which is that's how you bring it in. It's like a named export, I guess, from Express-Validator. We got router.post, and then the path is just slash, which like I said before, it's localhost 5,000 /API/users. And then this is an array, and you put check, and then you put what you're checking, which is the name field, and then the custom message that you want to say, if then not, dot not and dot is empty. That's how you make it required. And then the email, check email, then please use a valid email as the custom message. Then I put as email as the check. Then for password, put password, then please enter password 6 more characters, and the check is dot is length min6, which is an object min6. Then down here in the actual body of the request down here, well, I set errors to validation result, passing in request to a validation result from the Express-Validator. Then it would check if we have any errors. That's what this is. So bang in front of errors.isEmpty. So errors.isEmpty, not errors.isEmpty means we have errors. So then we return a res.status of 400, which is a bad request. You don't want to send a 200 if any of this took place. And then .json, and we set errors to errors.array, which will make an array of errors. Here, I'll show you. I got it running. npm run server, got running, server this import 5000, MongoDB connected. Let me pull up Postman. Oh yeah, well, I'll show you in a second. And we got the well, in the video before this, I set up the user model. So if you didn't see it, I'll show that to you. Got models, user model. This is setting up the schema for Mongoose. Name, type, string required true, email, type string required true, unique true, password, type string required true. Then I put date down here. I guess you could put timestamps, but I just put date and set the default to date.now. Then export it down here. So let me show you how these setting these errors as an array works. Guys, we in the header set content type, application JSON, body. Okay, let's not set anything. If we don't set anything, we send the post request, which is what we're expecting here, router.post to slash and it's prefixed with a /API/users. So we got localhost 5000 /API/users. Send that, and in the first error, name is required. Then please use a valid email. Please enter password 6 more characters. And that's these messages we put here. Put them in an array. That way, on the front end of the application, well, this is going to be a React application, but you get these errors and put them on like a toast message or some kind of message to inform the user what's going on here. But we said name, and I'll just put my name. Now let's just send that, and then it should. Now it's just those two. So let me put email. So there's my email, and now the last error message is please enter a password 6 more characters. So that's 5. Well, I don't know that. Oh, I didn't put a comma there. Okay, still 6 more characters. So we add 6 characters. Then what just says user route, because that's all we got. If it makes it that far through all the checks, then we'll just get to right there. So next we'll have to provide the logic for. Well, we'll have to actually register a user. We'll do all that next.